Are you tired of staring at those expensive fence bills and feeling like privacy in your own backyard has to cost a fortune? What if I told you that you don't need to spend hundreds or even thousands on wood, vinyl or pre-made privacy panels to get a space that feels secluded, cozy and stylish? Today on Timeless Gardening, we're going to flip the script on traditional fencing and show you 8 incredibly clever Dollar Tree hacks that actually work. These are practical, realistic solutions that anyone can do. Whether you have a small patio, a sprawling backyard, or even just a balcony you want to shield from prying eyes, each idea is budget-friendly, easy to assemble, and can be customized to fit your space perfectly. Before we dive into these hacks, let's set the stage for what makes a great privacy solution. Privacy isn't just about blocking someone's line of sight. It's about creating a space where you feel comfortable, safe, and relaxed. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, enjoying a quiet morning with coffee, or just lounging in the sun, in this video we'll cover materials you can grab right from Dollar Tree, clever assembly tricks, and ways to make each setup both functional and beautiful. We'll also touch on practical tips for durability, wind resistance, and how to make your new screens look custom-built rather than like a DIY experiment. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a timeless gardening hack. Now let's get started and transform your backyard without emptying your wallet. Hack number 1. Faux trellis, using Dollar Tree frames. Imagine transforming a simple, inexpensive Dollar Tree frame into a functional privacy trellis that instantly elevates your backyard. This hack is perfect for anyone looking to add vertical interest while blocking unwanted sightlines. All you need are a few craft or picture frames from Dollar Tree, some zip ties or twine, and an existing fence post or lightweight stake for support. Start by connecting multiple frames in a grid pattern, using zip ties to secure them together. You can go as tall or wide as your space allows, stacking frames to cover sightlines without the expense of traditional fencing. Once your frame structure is ready, attach faux vines, greenery garlands or even small potted plants to create a lush, vibrant screen. This method gives you the flexibility to add layers, patterns or decorative touches while keeping costs minimal, and it works surprisingly well to block views from neighboring yards or busy streets. The beauty of this hack is not just in its affordability, but in its versatility and customization. You can paint the frames to match your garden's aesthetic, or leave them in their natural finish for a casual, rustic look. Over time you can train climbing plants like ivy, morning glories or small flowering vines to grow along the trellis, creating a living wall that grows more effective and beautiful with each season. The setup is lightweight and portable, which means you can reposition it to follow the sun, shield a new area, or even remove it entirely if you're renting or rearranging your outdoor space. By combining inexpensive materials with a little creativity, you'll have a professional-looking privacy solution that feels organic, stylish and completely achievable on a Dollar Tree budget. Hack number 2. DIY living wall with Dollar Tree planter stacks. If you're looking to combine privacy with greenery, this Dollar Tree hack is a game changer. By stacking small planters or pots easily found at Dollar Tree, you can build a vertical living wall that not only blocks sightlines but also adds a fresh, vibrant look to your backyard. Start by selecting a sturdy base, such as a pallet, a set of cinder blocks, or even a small freestanding shelf. Arrange the planters in a staggered pattern to maximize coverage and stability. Then fill them with fast-growing climbers, trailing plants, or even herbs that can spill over the edges. Over time, the foliage fills in the gaps between planters, creating a natural, lush screen that feels like a professional installation, but costs a fraction of a traditional fence. You can even mix and match plant types to add seasonal colors or textures, making your living wall both practical and visually stunning. This hack is incredibly flexible, perfect for small patios, narrow side yards or even balconies, and it's portable enough to move if needed. For added longevity, secure the planters with zip ties or twine, and make sure they are watered consistently, as their effectiveness depends on healthy, thriving plants. You can also layer in Dollar Tree moss sheets or artificial greenery for instant coverage while your plants grow. The beauty of this method is that it evolves over time. Your privacy screen becomes denser and more effective with each passing month, while also providing the added benefits of greenery, improved air quality, and a sense of calm in your outdoor space. By thinking vertically and creatively, you're transforming a few inexpensive materials into a living, breathing privacy solution that rivals even high-end fencing. Hack number 3. Hanging outdoor curtains from Dollar Tree tablecloths. For a simple yet highly effective way to create instant privacy, Dollar Tree tablecloths can be transformed into stylish outdoor curtains. This hack works beautifully along patios, balconies, pergolas, or even along an existing fence line. Start by selecting tablecloths in colors or patterns that complement your outdoor space. Lightweight, fabric-style options work best for draping. Use inexpensive hooks, curtain rods, or tension wire to hang the tablecloths, creating a barrier that blocks sightlines while still allowing airflow. Layering multiple tablecloths side by side or even overlapping slightly can increase coverage and give a more finished, elegant appearance. With minimal effort, you've taken a few dollars worth of materials and turned them into a flexible, functional privacy screen that also adds a cozy, decorative element to your backyard. What makes this hack particularly effective is its versatility and adaptability. You can easily slide the curtains open or closed, adjust the height as needed, or even swap out colors and patterns seasonally to refresh your space. For additional durability, you can reinforce the tablecloth edges with tape or lightweight hem bindings, and weigh down the bottoms with small stones, bricks, or garden stakes to prevent flapping in the wind. Beyond blocking views, this setup also doubles as a shade solution, helping protect your patio furniture or plants from harsh sunlight. With just a little creativity, a few inexpensive Dollar Tree items can give you a professional-looking privacy solution that is both stylish and entirely customizable, proving that functional backyard design doesn't have to cost a fortune. Hack number 4. Chain link add-on with burlap or weed fabric. If you already have a chain link fence but want to add privacy without spending a fortune, this Dollar Tree hack is perfect. By attaching inexpensive burlap, landscape weed fabric, or even tablecloths to your existing fence, you can instantly block sightlines while maintaining a breathable structure that lets wind pass through. Start by measuring the length and height of your fence, and cut the fabric to fit. Use zip ties, garden twist ties, or even sturdy string to secure the material tightly along the fence posts and rails. This creates a clean, uniform barrier that is surprisingly effective at keeping prying eyes out while still feeling light and natural. For added stability, consider layering multiple pieces side by side or overlapping at seams to ensure complete coverage. This method works well for both long fence lines and smaller sections around patios, side yards, or gardens, giving you flexibility while keeping costs incredibly low. Beyond simple privacy, this hack allows you to get creative with textures, patterns, and colors. You can paint or dye burlap for a more polished look, or combine natural and artificial greenery with the fabric to make the fence blend seamlessly into your landscaping. The lightweight nature of the materials also means you can remove or replace sections easily if you need to adjust your layout or seasonal decor. With minimal investment, you're turning an ordinary chain link fence into a private, aesthetically pleasing boundary that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. This approach demonstrates that with a little ingenuity, even inexpensive Dollar Tree materials can solve one of the most common backyard challenges: affordable, effective privacy. Hack number 5. Portable privacy panels. Using folding screens. For a flexible and renter-friendly solution, Dollar Tree folding screens or room dividers can be transformed into portable privacy panels that work anywhere in your yard. These screens are lightweight, easy to move, and can be decorated or painted to match your outdoor aesthetic. Simply set them up along a patio edge, balcony, or even around a garden seating area to block sightlines where you need it most. Their foldable design allows you to adjust coverage, create corners, or even section off small areas for private relaxation. Because they're freestanding, there's no need for permanent installation, making this hack perfect for renters or anyone who likes to change their backyard layout frequently. By using inexpensive screens and a little creativity, you can create a polished, functional privacy solution that feels like it belongs in a high-end garden setting, but without the hefty price tag. What makes this hack especially effective is its adaptability and potential for customization. You can attach Dollar Tree garlands, faux greenery, or fabric panels to enhance coverage and soften the look, creating a screen that is not only practical, but also visually appealing. These panels can also be easily moved indoors during harsh weather, or stored flat when not in use, giving you seasonal flexibility that traditional fencing doesn't provide. By combining portability with decorative elements, this hack proves that affordable materials can deliver professional results. A few minutes of setup and a few dollars invested can give you a movable privacy solution that looks intentional, stylish, and completely tailored to your outdoor space. Hack number 6. Reed or bamboo mats with Dollar Tree fasteners. If you want a natural earthy look for your backyard privacy, this hack is perfect for covering existing fences or creating standalone screens. Reed and bamboo mats can often be purchased cheaply, and by using Dollar Tree zip ties, stakes or twine, you can attach them to fences, posts or even frames to create a semi-permanent privacy barrier. Start by measuring your area and cutting the mats to fit. Then secure them tightly along your fence or frame, ensuring there are no gaps for visibility. This technique instantly transforms an ordinary fence into a more secluded, attractive space, while keeping costs extremely low. Because the mats are lightweight, they can easily be adjusted or replaced, giving you flexibility without sacrificing privacy. The versatility of this hack also allows you to combine it with other elements for a more robust solution. Layering mats for extra density, adding vines or climbing plants along the bamboo, or even weaving in garlands from Dollar Tree can enhance both coverage and aesthetics. Over time, the natural textures blend beautifully with your garden or yard, giving a custom high-end appearance without the high-end price. This method is particularly effective for wind protection as well, as the reeds allow air to pass through while still blocking sightlines. With just a few inexpensive materials and some simple installation, you can create a stylish natural privacy screen that proves functional design doesn't have to cost a fortune. Hack number 7. Outdoor fairy light and garland privacy wall. If you want privacy that doubles as a cozy, magical atmosphere, this Dollar Tree hack is a perfect choice. Using inexpensive faux garlands, vines or leafy strands combined with outdoor rated string lights, you can create a decorative privacy wall that blocks sightlines while adding ambiance to your backyard. Start by securing a lightweight frame or existing fence posts. Then weave the garlands and lights together, layering them to create a fuller, more effective screen. This hack works especially well for patios, balconies, or seating areas where you want both coverage and a warm, inviting vibe. With minimal cost and setup time, you can instantly transform a plain section of your yard into a visually stunning private retreat that feels both intentional and charming. The real magic of this hack is in its versatility and customization. You can choose different garland styles, colors, and lengths to match your outdoor decor, and the string lights provide a soft glow that enhances the space in the evening. Because the setup is lightweight and modular, you can adjust it seasonally, switch out elements for different occasions, or even move it to another location as needed. Additionally, layering in Dollar Tree fabric panels or small greenery sheets can increase privacy during the day, making this hack functional around the clock. This approach proves that privacy solutions don't have to be dull or purely utilitarian. By combining inexpensive decorative elements, you can create a screen that's practical, stylish, and completely unique to your backyard. Hack number 8. The blanket wall outdoor privacy curtain. When you need instant full coverage without spending a lot, Dollar Tree blankets, tarps, or large fabric sheets can be transformed into a practical outdoor privacy curtain. This hack works particularly well for renters, small patios, or temporary setups where you want immediate results. Start by choosing heavy or thick fabric that won't flap excessively in the wind. Then hang it between posts, trees, or along an existing fence using hooks, rope, or zip ties. For extra stability, weigh down the bottom with bricks, garden stakes, or decorative stones to prevent movement on windy days. With minimal effort, you've created a barrier that blocks sightlines completely, giving you privacy on demand while keeping costs incredibly low. This method is perfect for creating secluded seating areas, covering unsightly views, or sectioning off parts of your backyard for special occasions or everyday use. The flexibility of this hack is what makes it so effective and appealing. You can layer multiple blankets for thicker coverage, switch out colors or patterns seasonally, and even combine them with fairy lights or garlands for a decorative touch. Unlike permanent fences, the blanket wall is portable and easy to remove or relocate whenever you want to change your outdoor layout. Over time, this simple and inexpensive approach proves that privacy doesn't have to be complicated or costly. Just a bit of creativity and some Dollar Tree finds can give you a functional, stylish, and instantly effective solution. With this final hack, you've now got 8 realistic, budget-friendly ideas to create a private oasis in your backyard, without breaking the bank. And there you have it, 8 incredibly practical Dollar Tree privacy hacks that actually work, each designed to help you create a backyard oasis without spending a fortune. From faux trellises and living walls, to portable screens and blanket curtains, these ideas prove that you don't need expensive fencing to enjoy a private, comfortable outdoor space. Each hack is not only budget-friendly, but also customizable, allowing you to mix, match and layer elements to suit your style, your space and your needs. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who love gardening on a budget, and subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more DIY backyard transformations. Tap the notification bell so you never miss a hack that saves time, money and frustration while making your outdoor space more beautiful. I'd love to hear which hack you're going to try first, or if you have your own Dollar Tree privacy solutions, drop them in the comments below so we can all get inspired. With a little creativity and some inexpensive materials, your backyard can be private, stylish and totally stress-free, proving that great design doesn't have to cost a fortune.